The Chaos by Gerard Nolst Trenité. Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse. Sounds like corpse, core, horse, and verse. I will keep you, Suzy, busy. Make your head with heat grow dizzy. Tear in eye, your dress will tear. So shall I. Oh, hear my prayer. Just compare heart, beard, and head, dies and diet, lord and word. Sword and sword, retain and Britain, mind the latter, how it's written. Now I surely will not plague you with such words as plague and ague, but be careful how you speak. Say break and stake, but bleak and streak. Cloven, oven, how and low. Script, receipt, show, poem, and toe. Hear me say, devoid of trickery, daughter, laughter, and terpsichore, typhoid, measles, topsails, isles, exiles, similes, and reviles, scholar, vicar, and cigar, solar, mica, woven far, one, anemone, Balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel, Gertrude, German, wind, and mind, scene, melpomene, mankind. Billet does not rhyme with ballet. Bouquet, wallet, mallet, chalet. Blood and flood are not like food, nor is mould like should and would. Whiskers, viscount, lord and broad, toward, to forward, to reward. And your pronunciation's okay when you correctly say croquet. Rounded, wounded, grieve and sieve. Friend and fiend, alive and live. Ivy, privy, famous, clamour, and enamor rhyme with hammer. River, rival, tomb, bomb, comb. Doll and roll, and some and home. Stranger does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour with clangor. Souls but foul, haunt but aunt. Font, front, won't, grant and grant. Shoes, goes, does. Now first say finger, and then singer, ginger, linger. Will, zeal, mauve, gauze, gouge, and gauge. Marriage, foliage, mirage, and age. Query does not rhyme with very, nor does fury sound like berry. Dust, lost, post, and doth, cloth, loth. Job, knob, bosom, transom, oath. Though the differences seem little, we say actual but victual. Refer does not rhyme with defer, pfeffer does, and zephyr, heifer. Mint, pint, senate, and sedate. Dull, bull, and George et late. Scenic, Arabic, Pacific. Science, conscience, scientific. Liberty, library, heave, and heaven. Rachel, ache, moustache, 11. We say hallowed, but aloud. People, leopard, toad, but wowed. Marked differences, moreover, between mover, cover, clover. Leeches, breeches, vice, precise. Chalice, but, police and lies. Camel, constable, unstable. Principal, disciple, label. Petal, panel, and canal. Wait, surprise, plat, promise, pal. Vermin, storm, chaise, chaos, chair. Senator, spectator, mayor. Tor, but hour and sucker, for. Gas, alas, and Arkansas. Sea, idea, career, area. Psalm, Maria, but malaria. Youth, south, southern, cleanse and clean. Doctrine, turpentine, marine. Compare alien with Italian. Dandelion with battalion. Sally with ally, yea, ye. I, way and key. Say aver but ever fever. Neither leisure, skein, deceiver. Heaven, granary, canary. Crevice and device and airy. Face but preface, not efface. Phlegm, phlegmatic, as glass base. Large but target, gin give verging. Ought, out, joust, and scour, scourging. ear but earn, and wear and tear do not rhyme with here but air. 7 is right, but so is even, hyphen, roughen, nephew, Stephen. Monkey, donkey, turk and jerk, ask, grasp, wasp and cork and work. Pronunciation, think of psyche, is it paling, stout and spiky? Won't it make you lose your wits, writing groats and saying grits? It's a dark abyss or tunnel, strewn with stones, stout solace, gunnel. Islington, an Isle of Wight, Housef, verdict, anandite. Finally, which rhymes with enough? Though, through, plough, or dough, or cough. Hiccup has the sound of cup. My advice is to give up.